What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So if you want to see how I fade my acne scars with aloe vera and baking soda, keep watching this video. Alright guys, so in conclusion, you've seen what I did already in this video. So what I did is basically use aloe vera and baking soda for 4 days. Why I did it for 4 days and not a full week? Because my face started to get like sensitive, my skin started to get thin because of the fading. The dead skin cells started coming out of my face and it was starting to get sensitive. I can feel it, but I discontinued. Hope you like this video guys, because I will do more in the future. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. And I wouldn't recommend this to any one of you because I heard that baking soda tends to burn your skin, but if you want, you can try it at your own will. Just know that I wouldn't recommend it. I don't want anyone to hit me up on social media and be like, tutorial didn't do anything and it scrubbed my face. And if you want to try it at your own risk. I'm not telling you, I wouldn't recommend you to do it, but try it at your own risk if you want to fade your acne scar like I did. This video, as you can see guys, it didn't do much because it's only 4 days, it's not a full week, but look at my face, this is the end result. Here, and on top of my forehead, it fade really good, like really good. So I really like the tutorial that I did. I enjoyed filming the video guys. As you can see, I had fun doing it, so I really enjoyed it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did filming this video. Peace out guys. People are watching me on their balcony right now like a weirdo talking to a camera. Life of a YouTuber. Peace out. Or a guy who makes video. Not calling myself a YouTuber.